Divisibility tests for various numbers. These are simple rules that let you check divisibility for any number in a few seconds. First of all, a number is divisible by 2 when it's an even number. To check that, you can simply check the last digit, which should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 124, it's an even number, hence it's divisible by 2. Next, 3. A number is divisible by 3 when sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 135. Sum of its digits is 9, which is a number that's divisible by 3, hence 135 is divisible by 3. Next up, we have 4. A number is divisible by 4 when its last two digits are divisible by 4. For example, 316. Last two digits are 16, which is a multiple of 4, hence 316 is divisible by 4. Now 5. A number is divisible by 5 when its last digit is either 0 or 5. For example, 245. A number is going to be divisible by 6 when it's divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 132. It's an even number, so it's divisible by 2, and also its digits sum to 6, which make it divisible by 3. Hence, as it's divisible by both 2 and 3, 132 is divisible by 6. To check divisibility by 7, we double the last digit and then subtract it from the rest. For example, 203. We double 3, which is 6, and then 20 minus 6 gives us 14, which is a multiple of 7. Hence, 203 is divisible by 7. To check the divisibility by 8, check the last 3 digits. If that number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. For example, 987048. Here the last 3 digits are 048 or simply 48, which is 8 times 6. So the number 9877048 is divisible by 8. Divisibility test for 9 is the same as that of 3. We just add the digits and see whether the sum is divisible by 9. For example, sum of digits of the number 7 to 9 is 18, which is divisible by 9. Hence 729 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10 is the simplest. We just check whether the last digit is 0. If it isn't, the number is not divisible by 10. For example, 450. Divisibility by 11 is the most complicated. So here we take the sum of digits in even places and then sum of digits at odd places, and then we subtract both the sums. If the result is either 0 or a number that is divisible by 11, we have a number that is divisible by 11. For example, 2728. Here 7 plus 8 is 15 and 2 plus 2 is 4. When we subtract both, we get 11. Hence 2728 is divisible by 11. Divisibility by 25 is again simple. We check whether the last two digits are 00, 25, 50 or 75. If they are, then the number is going to be divisible by 25. For example, 475, which has 75 at the end. So 475 is divisible by 25. Tell me which one you didn't know about.